Are you ready to ace the TOEFL listening section? Today, we'll share essential tips. Whether English is your first language or not, you can succeed. Many non-native speakers find the listening section challenging. It involves understanding different accents and academic content. In this video, we'll simplify strategies to enhance your listening skills. First, familiarize yourself with the format. The TOEFL listening section features lectures and conversations. Knowing what to expect can reduce anxiety. Next, practice regularly with TOEFL listening materials. Use sample tests available online. This will help you get used to the pace and style of the questions. Third, take notes while listening. Focus on main ideas and supporting details. Developing this skill helps you retain important information. After that, listen to various English audio. Podcasts, audiobooks, and online lectures are great resources. Exposing yourself to different pronunciations will enhance your understanding. Additionally, pay attention to signal words. Words like however, first, and finally indicate crucial points. Let's consider an example. Imagine listening to a lecture about climate change. You might hear phrases like the impact of pollution. This signals key details worth noting. In summary, familiarize yourself with the format, practice regularly, take notes, listen to diverse sources, and identify signal words. These tips will build your confidence. Ready to transform your TOEFL preparation? Click the link in the description for our Transform Academy course. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.